In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Greater Portmore Primary won and decided to send Jessie Ripoll Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Jessie Ripoll Primary. Bible knowledge, how many women were saved in Noah's Ark during the Great Flood?
How many women? Four.
That's correct. Bible knowledge, Greater Portmore. On which mountain did Noah's Ark rest after the Great Flood?
Mount Ararat. Mount Ararat.
That's right. Science, Jessie Ripoll, what is the name given to the part of the throat behind the nose and mouth, connecting them to the esophagus?
Pharynx.
Correct. Science, Greater Portmore, what is the name of the main passageway for air into the lungs?
The windpipe.
Incorrect. It's bronchi or bronchioles. Jessie Ripoll, International Affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Justin Trudeau.
Incorrect. Jose Raul Molino, President of Panama. International Affairs, a visual question. Greater Portmore. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sarah Facey.
Incorrect. Xiomara Castro, President of Honduras. Jessie Ripoll, English language, what is the subject in this sentence? My mother and I went shopping at the mall.
My mother and I.
That's right. English language, what is the predicate in the sentence? All the students have arrived for class on time.
Have arrived for class on time.
Correct. Television, a visual question. Jessie Ripoll, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Lisa Smurf.
Incorrect. Smurfette from Smurfs. Television, a visual question. Greater Portmore, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Brainy.
We'll take it. Brainy Smurf. Jessie Ripoll, general knowledge, a part of which luxury car manufacturer's name originates from the daughter of Austrian automotive entrepreneur Emil Jelinek?
Mercedes-Benz.
That's correct. Great general knowledge. Greater Portmore. The BMW name is a German acronym. Berzig Motoren Werk, which translates to what in English?
Bavarian Motor Works.
That's correct. Social studies. Jessie Ripoll. The birthplace of the famous Jamaican author Claude McKay's is found in which Jamaican parish?
Clarendon.
That's right. Social studies for you, Greater Portmore. Fort George is located on a peninsula in which Jamaican parish?
Kingston.
Incorrect. Portland. Jessie Ripoll. Music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the singer.
Camila Cabello.
Incorrect. Ella May. Greater Portmore, music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
John Legend.
Incorrect. It's Neo. Mathematics, Jessie Ripoll. What is 7, 8, 7, 1, 1, 2? Rounded to the nearest 10,000.
790,000.
That's right. Greater Portmore, mathematics. What is 6, 5, 3, 4, 5? Rounded to the nearest 100,000.
100,000.
Correct. Sports, Jessie Ripoll. In what year did Usain Bolt compete in his last IAAF World Championships?
2016.
Incorrect. 2017. Greater Portmore sports. In which city did Usain Bolt compete in his last IAAF World Championships in 2017?
Tokyo.
Incorrect. London. And we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Greater Portmore Primary on 5 and Jessie Ripoll Primary just 1 point ahead on 6. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Practice mindfulness or deep breathing before studying to clear your mind. A useful tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.